Hey guys, good afternoon. We're here with Isabella, and what's this girl's name?
What's your name?
Merida?
Yeah, Martha.
Let me see her. Wow, look at that beautiful sparkly gold teal outfit. Hi Merida.
Hi.
What are you doing?
That's Jasmine dressed up.
Hi, I'm Jasmine. We're best friends.
Oh, he's not dressed up anymore. What happened to your hair?
I just need my skirt and my pants. I don't know where they are.
Let's get your hairstyle and now we can get breadsticks first and now.
You have my shoes on. You're wearing Jasmine's shoes?
I like them. They look the same on my dress.
Yeah, but can I wear your shoes?
Yeah, you can wear my shoes, my golden ones.
Okay, that would be so great.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be so
I'm so excited.
It's in the bag, Jasmine.
I could put my hair in this LOL dot hair thing.
It's a mermaid one.
Wow. What's on your bathing suit?
Mermaid.
Oh, they're making a heart with their heads. Heart head. I have my bathing suit on too. Look how cute it is.
Just release this dog.
Who's gonna put it in their hair? Jasmine wants it?
Yeah, I want it.
I want it though. Can I wear it?
No, me.
You're not gonna share it with me?
No.
Can I use it tomorrow?
No, be nice.
I am. Say be kind.
No. I think I want it.
Okay, we can all take turns.
Here you go, Jasmine.
Okay, well, I'll take turns and share.
Here.
Oh, that was so nice, Merida. Wasn't that so nice?
Here. Here. Really nice. That's good. Really nice. That girl, Jasmine. Be nice. She get her.
Hi. I'm Natalie, and I have my bathing suit on too. It has like lemons and flowers, yellow and pink.
Oh, my shoes.
We both have our bathing suits on and ready to go to the beach.
No, wait for me. I just want to go with you.
Okay.
I have a brown suit. I need for my shoes.
Okay, we'll wait for you.
Okay.
Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.